Hello everyone, this is Tyson. Tyson said hi. Not Tyson. Say hi everyone. My name is Tata. My name is Tyson. Tyson. My name is Tata. This is Tyson. Little Tyson, he's a pug zoo, pug and a shih tzu. His daddy is a pug, his mama is a shih tzu, so we call him Pug Zoo. And his name is Tata. His full name is Tyson.